Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin had a big bounce back yesterday, and I added more into Tesla. Tesla came down and activated more trade. I actually added more into Ethereum. I showed you in yesterday's video as well. It triggered at $2,000, which is beautiful, and we got a big bounce back on the account. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tesla. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let me know any questions you have down below. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. We got a huge bounce back yesterday on Bitcoin. It went to 81K and then bounced back to 89K. And now we're sitting at 87K. You can see where I added Bitcoin. So I added down here 84.79. These are where I was adding trades. Here was a nice add, could have added. And then we got a bounce, 87. Funding fee positive. My Bitcoin trade negative 48K. This is a wild trade. It was negative 150K, then it was positive 30K, then it was negative 100K yesterday, now it's negative 49K. It's a $1 million trade. You can see here, $964,000 trade, and I'm paying around $200 a day in funding fees. On Ethereum, negative 27K. You can see where I added into Ethereum. It came lower last night. Look at that. Ethereum spiked down to a low of 9. The low was, can I see? 1,987 on Ethereum, and my trade activated at 2,000. You can see here it pumped down it and it activated at exactly 2,000 where I had the low buy order on Ethereum. And you can see that Ethereum trade now 90 Ethereum, so it added more into the trade, which is beautiful. But both still quite in the negative, which needs to get a bounce. 8581. You can it also purchased more World. World dropped a lot, 9%. The altcoins got hammered yesterday on that Bitcoin drop and not much of a recovery. World made a new low, everyone. Wow, it made a new low, 86 cents. Look at that, 86 cents for World. I don't have any more buy orders set for World. I'm holding around 37K, but that's a huge drop on World. We went to $1.40 and then it pulled back to $1.27. Look at that. So I purchased that. The alts are making new lows, crazy. $1, then we went to $1.20, and then we dropped down to 94 cents. A new low for, I don't think it's ever been this low actually, 86 cents. It launched at 30 cents back in 2023, June 2023. We went from 30 cents to $3. Then it came to a low of 90 cents during the bear market. During 2023 bear market, then went to $11, then went down to, wow, crazy low now. New low on World. You can see here, new low on World, which is interesting. These are where my buy average has been at $1.20. So actually this trade is down around 20%, which is not so beautiful. Doge, all the altcoins making new lows, crazy. Altcoins making new lows. Bitcoin quite weak. Like Trump kind of just decimated the bull market, really. Tesla also, this isn't just about Bitcoin. Tesla yesterday was down 4.4%. It's up 2% in pre-market. Some news must have come out, but my trade activated actually yesterday. I activated the trade at around 260 something. It came to a low yesterday. What a spike. We went to 260, got a bounce to 284, finished at 270, and now in pre-market it's at 278. So in pre-market now we're sitting here, and I actually added to the trade all my targets. If you remember, I sold Tesla at 430. I warned all of you. We bought it, if you're watching my videos, we're buying Tesla at $100. We're buying Tesla here and here at $100 and 142. We actually bought here at 100, sold some here, bought more here at 137, went all the way to 430. So we made massive gains, sold at 430, and since I sold at 430, we went down 39%, and I've been buying down here, and I think quite good place to buy. A lot of volume came in, getting a bounce on Tesla. I added more to those positions, but it can go lower. Just keep that in mind. Tariff wars, all this, that directly hits Tesla the most. You can see next support, I don't think we go down to 142, but you can see we have supports at 270, 238. I added at 270, 238, 193 further supports. Let's go into Bitcoin. Bitcoin big support, you can see clear support is at 69k. That was the previous, that's the major support. Why? Because that was the previous all-time high in the 2021 bull market, 69k. You can see that was a big resistance here for a long time in June of last year. You can see we broke through and now we're coming back down. That's the big support, 69k. I don't think we go below 69k with the ETFs if it does come down that low. On the weekly, stochastic still heading down. On the daily, oversold, getting a bounce and then turning down again. It was so choppy. Look at the Trump Towers. You can see Trump Towers in the picture here. You can see that like just pump and dump on Trump news. Yesterday we came to a low of 81 and then got a bounce. On the 4-hourly, not seeing any major pattern. On the hourly, no major pattern either. We're just in this small, we're trying to find support here. Best time to take a trade would be at 78 and at 69. The 78 trade taking it back to 94 would be at 5 risk to reward ratio. But if we're going to do short-term trades, I would try to take it. Yeah, I still think if there's some bad news or bad tariff news, we could get another drop. So the best is still to take it from 79 and then try to run it back up. But there is big resistance at 95. So this is the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. Opening 78, 200, stop loss 76, 400, risking 1,800 to make 18,000 with no leverage. 10x leverage would be 180,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. But be aware again that you need to DCA down 78 and 69. It can really come down to 69. So the safest point to take a trade would be at 69k and then to run it back to all-time highs again. So safest play 68k and then taking it back to 110. That would be 7 risk to reward ratio. We need to make less. So risking 2,600 to make 40,000. 10x leverage would be 400,000. That's the best place to take a trade, the safest one off this 69 major support. Hopefully it doesn't go that low. Hopefully the low was in at 78. There was a lot of panic, so it is possible, but just be aware that that's the major support on Bitcoin. I'm going to leave it at that. Join us also. I've got my trades open on Bitcoin and Ethereum, both slightly down, but big recoveries on both of them, and I was dip buying a lot. So hopefully it should go back into the positive. And I managed to get Ethereum in that $2,000 mark on the low, and then we got a bounce, but quite bad for altcoins. It looks terrible for altcoins. Join us in the Telegram. There's 236 of you online right now, and normally at nighttime, like 1,000 of you. You can then join them. Elon made irrational tweets last cycle. Crypto ignored. Trump is bipolar. You can see people discussing daily crypto community goals. Invite new members, take the courses, sign up for exchanges, trade and share wins, stay updated, engage and earn. Join them in the Telegram. All the links are down below underneath the video. Go underneath the video, sign up to Bybit. You get a 60k bonus with Bybit, main exchange I use for trading, lowest fees, best liquidity. If you're getting liquidation spikes, Bybit is one of the best for not having those. Weex $200 sign up bonus just for signing up. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the Telegram and for the courses. The Telegram is free. The courses, make sure you take the Crypto Master Course, Stock Guru Master Course, so you learn all this, so you know what you're doing. And Bitunix gives $8,000 bonus on sign up. That's all my updates for the market right now. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Smash up, thumbs up on it, turn on the bell if you have questions about investing crypto. Yesterday in the end of my video, I said my best, like the portfolio that I would invest in, and you can check that out as well. But I talk about it a lot in the Crypto Master Course. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.